Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Connie and I am here with another requested video. A number of persons have been asking how did I create my YouTube intro, and so today I will be showing you exactly how I did that. But before I get into the video, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead right now and subscribe. And also click that notification bell so that you can be the first one to know when I upload a new video. Now let's get into the video. Now, I literally do everything with my phone, as you all mentioned. So in order to create my intro, I use Keynote. I think Keynote is only for iPhone. I'm not sure. You can double check. But if you have Keynote, you can definitely use Keynote. If you don't have Keynote, you can download PowerPoint onto your phone and get the same result. Okay, now in order to get Keynote, as usual, go to your Google or Apple store.
I have this in landscape format, guys, and enter Keynote. All right, there it is. I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to go ahead and click open.
All right, so this right here is Keynote. All right, so in order, we're going to start with create presentation, right? And then we're going to go to new, and then I'm going to use the classic white, but you have other option. You can use a black background, whatever it is. I'm going to choose classic white. All right, so because I will be using mostly images, I'm going to get rid of some of the font. So I'm going to click on it and click delete. I'm also going to delete this one at the bottom. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is to add my logo. In order to add anything in Keynote, just click this plus sign at the top and it will bring you directly to a list. I'm going to choose photo or video. Resend, and then click my logo, Connie C. Walcott, the master teacher. That green leaf represents growth and development, guys. Something I truly believe in. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is to add some animation to this photo. I will be adding animations to each photo individually. So I'm going to click on it and then click animate. Then I'm going to choose how I want it to appear first. So I'm going to choose at the bottom, add building. And my effect is lens flare. Done. And then I'm going to choose add build out. How do I want it to build out? I'm going to click add build out, and then I want it to crumble. All right, so let's see what that looks like. I'm going to click the play button at the top. So that's how it will appear, and that's how it will leave. All right, now let's get some other photos in. I'm going to click done, then I'm going to go back to the plus sign, photos and videos, and I'm going to add my social media logos. Please, when you're downloading your social media logos from the internet, choose the ones with transparent background. You see, this background is transparent. It's easier for you that way, so you don't have to think about cropping or any of that stuff. All right. So here I'm basically going through the same steps I showed you before to add your build-in and build-out animation to your images, so you can go back and view those steps quickly and follow them exactly as I did it before. Before I add animation, I'm going to edit this text. In order to edit the text, I am going to click this paintbrush at the top. click on the paintbrush, scroll down, and you will see font. So I'm going to click the arrow here and find the font. The name of my font is Chalk Duster. All right, I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to scroll down to the font size. I'm going to make it a little bigger. I'm going to carry it all the way up to 90. Then the text color. And my color is red. All right, there you have it. Now I'm going to add the animation. Click on it, click animate, build in keyboard. So it gives you that typewriter effect. Done. Build out crumble. All right, let's see what we have achieved so far. All right. All right, so I'm seeing all the animations, but the setup is horrible. So we are going to edit the setup. I'm going to go back to animate, and then I'm going to click these 3 lines at the top, right between the play button and the word done. Right? So this gives you a view of how your slides are set up, right? So this is where we're going to do the hard work, guys. So please pay attention. So if you notice each photo, I want all of them to crumble together, because that's the build out. I want all of them to crumble together. So after the logo appears, then I want the Facebook logo to drop. So I'm going to long press Facebook, which is number 3, and I'm going to drag it between 1 and 2, because that's what I want to happen next. So after the logo appears, then Facebook is going to drop. Now I want Instagram to drop after Facebook. So I'm going to long press Instagram and bring it after Facebook. After Facebook. Right. So after that happens, then I want the word subscribe to appear after Instagram has dropped. All right. Now that's between Instagram. All right. So this one, I don't want it to appear on top. So I'm going to click after transition. Sorry. Then this, I want this to appear after the first slide. So I'm going to click after build 1. Then this is going to appear after build 2. Then this is going to appear after build 3. Then they will all crumble together. So I'm going to click on it, and then it will appear after 4. This will appear with 5. This will appear with 5. This will appear with 5. And I think we are done, guys. Let's play it and see what happens. Then Instagram, then subscribe, then they all crumble together. That's how I want it to appear. Now I'm going to reorganize them a bit, because I think it's a little bit crowded. There's enough space, so I'm going to bring them. Let me bring it down. Bring it down. Bring this down a little bit. I want them to line up. Then I could just make this a little bit bigger and bolder. And there you have it. You could add all your social media angles. So let's look at the final product. I'm going to click play. So that's it, guys. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You can do so many other things with Keynote or with PowerPoint. what I did next was to take this over to InShot, and then that is where I added the sound effects. If you want to know how to use InShot, then I'm going to leave a link to that video below. I actually posted that video last week, so you can go ahead and check it out, and it will teach you a lot about InShot. Now this is the last step, guys. Pay attention. Click these three dots, and you're going to click export as a movie, not as a PowerPoint or a PDF or images, but as a movie. And that is how you will get your video. Right. So you can share it, and then what I would normally do is save it. Here it is. Finished product.